dear students, welcome to the class today. So we are carrying on with the revision of your, yes, here I would like to write 3.3, where we are talking about this chapter, nationalism in Europe. Children, what we are talking about here, what we are doing here is two topics we have discussed, the kind of questions that would be asked. Okay, different kind of questions are asked for your boards. So here we are talking about these chapters one by one, and I hope it is helping you. Now what we are writing here, what we are doing, talking about the next question, that is very important from 3 marks point of view and from 5 marks point of view. That is one answer for 2 questions. Okay. The first is the Treaty of Constantinople. ओके, पहला तो आप ये देख लीजिए, ट्रीटी ऑफ कॉन्स्टेंटिनोपल कब हुआ था. रिमेंबर द डेट ऑलवेज. हो सकता है एवरी टाइम द डेट इज नॉट मेंशन. और यूनिफिकेशन इन ग्रीस. ठीक है, और यू कैन से ग्रीस एज एन इंडिपेंडेंट नेशन. सो स्टूडेंट्स, independence in Greece 1832. This question has to be prepared for 5 marks. Got it? अब क्या करेंगे 5 मार्क्स के लिए, क्या पॉइंट्स लिखेंगे. ओके, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड द पॉइंट्स फ्रॉम वेयर यू स्टार्ट द आंसर एंड फ्रॉम वेयर यू एंड द आंसर. इट मैटर्स अ लॉट. दैट इज वेयर योर इट इज डिसाइडेड कि बच्चे को कितना नंबर मिलेगा. ओके, सो द पहला जो आप लिखेंगे दैट इज नेशनलिस्ट फीलिंग among people in Greece. हाँ, बिकॉज क्या होता है कि इंट्रोडक्शन टू द आंसर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वहीं से आपका बेस बन जाता है कि क्या बच्चे ने लिखा है. ओके, इट हैपेंड इन ग्रीस. इंडिपेंडेंट नेशनलिस्ट फीलिंग अमंग द पीपल इन ग्रीस was aroused after the movements in Europe. Got it? बहुत सारे movements हो रहे थे ना. Lot of movements were happening. Plus, in the last class, what we have discussed, the romantic imagination. Romantic imagination है कि nationalism in Europe sparked of a struggle for independence. Okay? Nationalism पूरे यूरोप में हो रहा था ना. So how can the Greeks be away from that? So nationalism in Europe sparked a movement in Greece. Got it? Please understand कि nationalistic feeling and it started कब शुरू हुआ. बिल्कुल स्पार्क ऑफ, अचानक से एकदम आग लगी इंडिपेंडेंस के लिए. ठीक है, स्पार्क ऑफ अ मूवमेंट इन ग्रीस. एंड हियर देन यू हैव टू राइट अबाउट कि कब शुरू हुआ था. कुछ डेट्स तो बेटा याद करने पड़ेंगे. इट बिगैन इन 1821. Got it? Please talk about this. They got from Abhi, who were the people who helped these Greek people? So many people from Greece, they were outside. Outside means they were many Greeks were in exile. Got it? बाहर में थे. So because of this, what happened? They had sympathy for ancient Greek culture. Greek culture is one of the oldest. Okay? They had sympathies for ancient Greek culture. कि whatever is happening in Greece is not correct. इसको हम लोगों को चेंज करना चाहिए. And इसमें poets and artists played a very important role. Got it? Every time it is not revolution is not only means a bloody revolution which involves lot of violence. No. ठीक है. अभी यहाँ गांधी जी का एग्जाम्पल आई एम गिविंग. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड कि ग्रीस वॉज अ वेरी पीसफुल कंट्री एंड वहां पे व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इंडिपेंडेंस, सो व्हाट हैज हैपेंड इज दैट द चेंजेस happened on a large scale. All these points you are mentioning कि 1821 में this struggle had started and poets and artists, आपको ये mention करना जरूरी है. Without that your answer remains incomplete. That poets and artists played an important role in its independence. Okay. They told the people, got it, that okay, how can anybody forget the the Greece is considered as the cradle of European civilization. Okay, so they appealed to the people that Greece, ये स्टेटमेंट देना जरूरी है. And this is the truth also, that Greece was considered to be कि civilizations that had started, it had started from Greece. Got it? Greece is considered to be the cradle of civilization. The beginning point. Where the civilization had started, the whole world has seen civilization. And then you have to mention about Lord Byron. Who was he? Got it? Please understand. He organized funds and later went in the fight for the fight in war. Organized funds and went for war and killed. ठीक है, killed नहीं, and he died of fever. Killed नहीं था, it was natural death था, and he died of fever in 1824. Imagine struggle had started in 1821. Some people have already laid down their lives. बहुत ज्यादा इसमें lot of details are not mentioned here, but then Treaty of Constantinople was signed in 1832. Cradle of civilization. Poets and artists played a very important role. इसको अब हम लोगों को stress करना है. What we need to understand. ठीक है, या तो इसको आप 5 मार्क्स के लिए तैयार कर, वहां पे यू नीड टू, क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा लॉट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट ग्रीक civilization and Greek culture is not mentioned. So what is mentioned, जितना दिया हुआ है उसी में हम लोगों को काम चलाना है. We need to frame our answers accordingly. Then the next point is the romantic imagination and the nationalistic feeling. Please understand, romantic imagination and nationalistic feeling. Per a question very frequently asked is culture played. 5 marks के लिए you have to prepare this. Culture played an important role in creating an idea of the nation. अब आपको इसमें कल्चर के बारे में पूरा बताना है. Which culture are we talking about? Justify the statement. क्या आप लिखेंगे इसमें? What are you writing in this? Statement based questions आ रहे हैं and in your revision test, when statement based questions are coming, what I am seeing is that you are unable to understand how to frame the answer. Don't do that. कोई स्टेटमेंट दिया हुआ है उसको आपको जस्टिफाई करना है. ऐसा तो है नहीं कि आपने पढ़ा नहीं है. You have not read. It is nothing like that. Okay. So romanticism was a cultural movement. Here you have to start your answer that romanticism was a cultural movement. Got it? And it played a way which sought to develop a particular form of nationalist sentiment. Which sought to develop a particular form of nationalist sentiment. Got it? अब आप ये romanticism को how will you explain? What is the explanation that you are talking about? This was the romanticism. This was the romantic artists and poets. They romantic artists and poets criticized science and reason. Got it? साइंस की बातें हमेशा लोग करते थे. So a lot of criticism was there for scientific things and scientific cultures. क्या है कि scientific के चक्कर में people were forgetting the glorious past and everything was about, बहुत सारी चीजें होती है which is away from reasoning. Everything doesn't have a reason. ना? Reason हर एक चीज का कारण थोड़ा ही होता है. बहुत सारी चीजें, there are many things in the world which is not falling in this reasoning thing. So criticize science and reason. They focus, देखो this is the base जहां से आप इस आंसर को शुरू कर रहे हो. Okay, they focused on emotions, intuition and mystical feeling. Intuition and mystical feeling. Mystical feeling. A feeling that is away from this world. Everything, I told you, everything cannot be reason, cannot be here. You are giving the introduction to this question. You get confused. Please don't get confused. हमने किया हुआ है. लेकिन some points are there. You have to talk about romanticism. You have to talk about romantic artists because it is the point of culture. Dear students, you are talking about culture. So romanticism is also a form of culture. Now, जस्टिफाई, हाउ विल यू जस्टिफाई द स्टेटमेंट? आपको स्टेटमेंट के बारे में बता दिया गया है. नाउ व्हाट आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट जस्टिफिकेशन? यू आर मेंशनिंग अबाउट एग्जांपल्स which I have already stressed on. Every time when we are doing any question or practicing any point, we are talking about romanticism, we are talking about examples. इसमें आप क्या दोगे? First, you will be mentioning about German philosopher Johann Gottfried. Got it? Please mention about Johann Gottfried. क्या क्या काम किया इन्होंने? It was discovered among the common people. We are talking about Das Volk. Got it? What is this Das Volk? Das Volk was the common people. Das Volk. He appealed to Das Volk, meaning common people. किस चीज के लिए अपील किया? Okay? Because you appeal, you don't go to each and every person, na? So each and every person is connected to some or the other entertainment mode. उस समय क्या entertainment mode था? Through folk songs, folk poetry. Got it? Folk songs are there, folk poetry, folk dances. That time everything was folk. गांव में जो चीजें थी, गांव का जो कल्चर था, that was the major culture of the people during that time. और किसी कल्चर को लोग फॉलो नहीं करते थे. People did not follow any other culture. So it was through folk songs, folk poetry, folk dances, a true spirit of nation. Nation was vogist, was popularized. A true spirit of nation was popularized. Got it? अब ये popularity that was happening, it was happening through ये कुछ word हैं which are German word which you need to write like this only. ठीक है? True spirit of nation. ये true spirit of nation जो है, that is what is Vogt's gist. Collecting the poems, recording these in the forms of folk culture and folklore. आप इसमें बताइए. इसके बाद what we are talking about, the illiterate people were there. बहुत पढ़े लिखे तो नहीं थे. Then you have to give the example of, एक तो ये example हो गया. Second example, you are talking about Karol Karpunski in पोलैंड. इन्होंने क्या किया? ठीक है? He created national struggle. He created operas and music. He made operas. Opera, you understand, na? हाँ, मतलब it's the dance drama. Operas and music to bring awareness among people. Got it? लोगों के बीच में जागृति होनी चाहिए. There should be awareness amongst the people. So illiterate people, right now we are talking, the literate people are reading the books, reading the poems, reading the songs. Illiterate people क्या कर रहे हैं? What are the illiterate people doing? ठीक है? यहाँ पे we are stressing on that. And then when we are talking about all this, one example that cannot be, देखो, these examples are very important. if you are not mentioning it in this, बार बार मैं इसको stress इसलिए कर रही हूँ, so that you understand that while writing these answers, you need to mention it. Got it? Then you have to talk about language. Language is one of the most important parts of culture. When we are talking about cultural movement, language plays a very important role in that, my dear students. Got it? And what language? Polish language was promoted in Poland instead of Russian language. क्योंकि पोलैंड के ऊपर, पोलैंड एंड रशिया आर द नेबरिंग कंट्रीज, तो रशिया हैज कैप्चर्ड पोलैंड एंड दे वांटेड दैट द पीपल इन पोलैंड शुड एक्सेप्ट एंड प्रमोट ओनली रशियन लैंग्वेज, रशियन कस्टम्स, रशियन ट्रेडिशंस. तो रशियन सेड व्हाई शुड वी डू दैट, हम ये काम क्यों करेंगे? ठीक है, everybody is attached to their own language, everybody is attached to their own culture, so they never wanted that. Got it? As a result, the Polish language was forced out of schools and Russian language was imposed everywhere. So 1831 में armed rebellion was there against Russian rule. ठीक है? In 1831, armed rebellion against Russian rule. People came on roads and they said that they would be revolting against this. ये सारी चीजों के खिलाफ वो रिवोल्ट करेंगे. And as a result, Polish was used for, कहां पे उन्होंने यूज किया? They were very particular about the use of Polish language everywhere. So wherever there was mass, in the church gathering, okay, please understand, and religious instructions, Polish language was used. पोलैंड में जो भाषा बोली जाती है, Polish language was used. Got it? Now please understand कि language and it's related to culture. Language का importance बहुत है. तो आप इस आंसर में, इस क्वेश्चन में, what are the major things that you are mentioning? You are talking about the cultural movement. You are talking about the discarding of science and reasoning. You are talking about Johannes Gottfried. You are talking about Karpinski, and then you are talking about language struggle in Poland. 5 points, 5 marks है, 5 points. फालतू की चीजें मत लिखा करो. It really irritates the examiner. Got it? This was one question. Another question which comes for 3 marks. Very frequently asked for 3 marks. 1830s. Got it? Please understand, 1830s were years of Great Depression and economic hardship in Europe. Economic hardship in Europe. क्या लिखेंगे इसमें? Explain. Or support the answer with the help of examples. When we are talking of economic hardship, you have to talk about certain things. That is, आपको शुरुआत में जो पॉइंट्स लिखना है, increase in population. दूसरा है industrialization. बिकॉज इधर फॉर ये तो 3 के लिए भी आ सकता है, 5 के लिए भी आ सकता है, फॉर 5 मार्क्स. Dear students, the points that I am telling you, you have to elaborate these points. इसको आपको explain करना है. Okay, and unemployment, living conditions. शहरों में लोग आ रहे थे, पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रही थी, तो क्या हुआ कि यहां पे one thing we need to connect. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, इसको टेक्निकली समझने की कोशिश करो. दैट पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज इन पॉपुलेशन इन सिटीज, ये यहाँ पे आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग इट अगेन. सिटीज में, शहरों में क्या हो रहा था, पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रही थी, तो पीपल आर कमिंग टू द सिटीज, पॉपुलेशन इज इंक्रीजिंग, खाने की शॉर्टेज होगी ही, एंड दीज वर द फार्मर्स हु वर कमिंग इन द सिटीज. Lot of textile production was happening, and food shortage, unemployment, it brought the people of Paris on roads. Food shortage and unemployment brought the people on roads. Got it? सड़कों पे आ गए थे. The people had come on roads, and ये कब हुआ? 1848 में. 1848 was such year. 1830s आप बता रहे हैं, हम बता रहे हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे जब आप एग्जाम्पल्स दे रहे हैं, मतलब इट स्टार्टेड इन 1830s, but it had extended to 1848 in France. Who was the ruler at that time? Louis Philippe was the ruler. Louis Philippe को भागना पड़ा. He was forced to flee. And then कभी 1830, and then you have to talk about the example of Silesia. Weavers का village था ये, हाँ, complete story is there, ना? It is in the story form. So the people in Silesia, how did they come on roads, and they had destroyed everything. All the owners of the factories, they had to run and take help from the army. Although ये weavers का जो movement था, इसको suppress किया गया, but then it had lot of impact on the nationalistic movement that was happening. इसके बाद, the last question that I am discussing here, children, is the Frankfurt Parliament. (1848) क्या था? How did the people in revolt? They had come in Germany. This has happened in 1848, 18th May, जहां पे कि 800, and यहाँ पे you have to mention, ये 5 marks के लिए ही prepare करना है इसको. Please prepare it for 5 marks only. Okay, please prepare it. You have to mention about 831 elected, जो चीजें आपको कंपल्सरीली देनी है. Elected representatives. Then you have to mention about crowning of Frederick Wilhelm IV. Okay, and then you have to talk about the establishment of parliament. जर्मन यूनिफिकेशन एंड इटालियन यूनिफिकेशन हमने बहुत डिस्कस कर लिया, सो आई एम नॉट डिस्कसिंग दैट, चिल्ड्रन. This is all from this chapter. Thank you so much and all the best to you.
Students, we have completed this chapter, Nationalism in Europe. In this, just the last topic, I wanted to show you some things where we are talking about imperialism and the steps that led to the First World War. What were the conditions which gave rise to the First World War. We are talking about it here. Got it, children? Now, this is also called as the Balkan region. क्योंकि the questions that are put up, children, the questions are asked about the tension in the Balkan region. तो आपको Balkan region बताना है, plus you have to also talk about all these countries which were a part of the Balkan region. Got it? And they were called as the Slavs. किसको स्लैव्स कहा जाता था, एंड व्हाट वेर द टेंशंस इन द बाल्कन रीजन. प्लीज़ प्रिपेयर इट प्रॉपरली. इसको आपको अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करना है, देन ओनली यू कैन सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. रिमेंबर द नेम ऑफ दीज कंट्रीज एंड द upcoming of the First World War. Just check it out, children. It is mentioned here. The coming up of the First World War. Got it? Okay, children. Thank you so much and all the best to you.